Ding, ding, ding. Your school bell, your doorbell, your phone alarm. They all ring the same way, and they never get tired. But how does a bell keep ringing automatically, over and over? The secret is in the circuit, and today, we ring it open. Inside an electric bell lives a tiny electromagnet. When current flows through the coil, the electromagnet activates. It pulls the iron armature toward it. The hammer hits the gong. Ding! But here is where it gets clever. When the armature is pulled toward the magnet, it breaks the circuit. No circuit, no current, no electromagnet. The spring pulls the armature back to its original position. Circuit reconnects. Current flows. Electromagnet activates again. Ding! This cycle repeats dozens of times every second, automatically. Make circuit to magnet activates, hammer strikes, circuit breaks, spring resets, circuit makes again, hammer strikes again, and so on. Faster than you can blink. This self-interrupting circuit is what makes the bell ring continuously. It is not magic, it is automation. The bell resetting itself 50 times a second. Electromagnet, armature, spring, self-interrupting circuit. 4 components working in perfect rhythm. This is how electrical energy converts to sound energy, through magnetism, movement, and a cleverly broken circuit. Your doorbell has been teaching you physics every day. You just did not know it was class. Well, now you do. And the best part? At RNCT Charitable Trust, we bring exactly this kind of science to life. Hands-on, visual, joyful, and completely free for schools across Mumbai. If you want your students to experience the wonder of science this way, write to us at info@rotnaniti.org or WhatsApp us at 749-8989-292. Because every child deserves to fall in love with science. We are RNCT, and this is what we do.